Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about the new BackupBuddy Dashboard Restore feature. Now, if you ever find yourself in a situation of having to use a backup to restore your site, that means something's gone wrong. Now, this could be something as big as your entire site being compromised, or something as small as a plugin update causing some type of CSS conflict on your site. Now, in either situation, it's going to be a little bit stressful, which is going to cause your anxiety to rise. Your palms are going to be sweating, and you probably aren't going to be thinking as clearly because your adrenaline is going to be going. And then with a typical restore process, you're going to have to remember where you stored your backup in that safe offsite location, what's your credentials to access your offsite location. You're going to have to find your FTP client along with your FTP credentials, and then upload your backup to the right directory, and so on and so on and so on. And during these high anxiety moments, it's easy to miss a step. And the thing about a typical restore process, you need to get every one of those steps correct in order for the restore to complete. Now, however, we wanted to make that easier for you with the BackupBuddy Dashboard Restore feature, because we know in times of stressful situations when the anxiety is running high, the simplest that we can make the restore process for you, the faster you'll be able to get your site back up online. So without further ado, let's take a look at this new BackupBuddy Dashboard Restore feature. So first, you go to your BackupBuddy settings, and then let's take a look at the new backups page. All right, and then you can see that we have a new Restore Backup tab. And then let's say that in our case, we had a plugin update break the CSS on our site. So let's go ahead and click the Restore Files button. And then what you're going to see here is the new BackupBuddy File Explorer. And what this is going to be the directories in this particular backup. Since we have a plugin update that created a CSS conflict, let's go ahead and go to the WP content directory, and then go to the plugins, and let's just go ahead and let's just roll back the plugin to the previous version that caused the conflict. Now, for this example, let's just use landing pages, and as you can see right here, that the version in the backup of landing pages is 3.0, and the installed version of the plugin is 3.01. And so we can see that there is a difference between what is actually on the live version, what's in the backup version. We want to roll back to that backup version. So let's make sure the checkbox is clicked, and then go ahead and click the Restore One Folder button. Now, we added this extra verification in here to be sure that you don't accidentally overwrite any unwanted files. So let's go ahead and click Yep, Restore Selected Folders, and click Yes, Proceed. And that's going to take you to the Backup Restore Progress bar, which is going to keep you apprised of which step of the restore process you're in. And then that will keep you updated until the restore is complete. All right, once the restore process is complete, you'll have two options. You can go visit the front page of your site to make sure everything is in working order there. You can also view the previous restores, which will take you to the new diagnostics page. And on that diagnostics page, under recent activity, you can see a history of your restore processes, and then get the details. For example, see that the elapsed time was 31 seconds on this restore, and you can also see exactly what was restored. The whole goal of the BackupBuddy Dashboard Restore feature is to simplify the restore process, especially during the stressful times of when you're actually restoring the backup. And that way, you don't have to go looking and digging around for a bunch of different credentials, figure out where your backup's stored. You can restore the entire thing from your BackupBuddy settings without ever leaving your WordPress dashboard. All right, hey, and thanks so much for checking out this video, guys, and have a great day.